Welcome to Android Studio. What is Android Studio? It's like a digital workshop for building apps. You use it to create cool things for Android phones and tablets. Android Studio is very popular. Millions of people use it. It's free, easy to use, and has lots of helpful tools. Want to make your own games, to-do lists, or photo apps? This is the perfect place to begin. Getting started. Installing Android Studio. Ready to jump in? First, you need to install Android Studio on your computer. It's easy. Go to the Android Studio website. Click the big green download button, open the downloaded file, follow the instructions step by step. That's it. Android Studio is now on your computer. Your first project, setting up. Let's get your workspace ready. When you first open Android Studio, it might ask you a few questions. Don't worry, it's just setting things up. Choose the standard setup for now. It will install everything you need. Android Studio needs to download some extra files. This might take a little while. Be patient, it's worth the wait. Let's build an app creating a project now. For the fun part, we're going to create your very first app. Don't worry, it's super simple. Click Start a new Android Studio project. You'll see lots of templates. Choose Empty Activity. Give your project a name. How about My First App? Click Finish and let Android Studio work its magic. You did it! You've started your very first Android project. Take a look around. This is your new app building workspace. You'll see different windows and panels. Don't feel overwhelmed. We'll only focus on the important ones for now. The code editor. This is where you'll write your app's instructions, just like writing a recipe. The design view. See how your app will look on a phone or tablet, the project view. All the files for your app are organized here. It's like a high-tech control panel for building amazing things. Let's write some code. Don't worry, it's just one line. 1. Find the file named mainactivity.t2. Look for a line that says 3. Add this line below it. That's it. You just told your app to say, "Hello world." What does this code do? It creates a special message called text and puts it on the screen. Time to see your creation in action. We'll use a virtual phone to test it out. 1. Click the green play button at the top of the screen. 2. Android Studio will build your app. You'll see a loading bar. 3. A virtual phone will pop up showing your app. It says, "Hello world, congratulations, you just built and ran your first Android app." You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of Android development. You learned how to install Android Studio, create a project, write simple code, and run your app. What's next? The possibilities are endless. You can learn to add buttons, images, sounds, and so much more. There are tons of resources online and in libraries to help you on your journey. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun building awesome Android apps.